Today I want to unbox another new mobile phone. This phone model is E100. It's a China mobile phone. It's a smartphone. So this phone comes in a very compact box. It's quite light, just under 500 grams. Okay, so it's got a user manual, which is in Chinese and in English. And it's got the phone itself here, charger, headphones, USB cable, and 2 batteries. So the phone here comes with a protective cover. I'll just keep it out. It's quite a nice style phone. So it's actually something between a BlackBerry and the style looks like one of those Google Nexus phones. The color is quite nice too. And the buttons feel pretty solid. Quite a neat looking phone actually. Okay, so it also supports 2 SIM cards and a flash card. So let me just try and install 1 SIM card, just like this. So if you have, for example, in US, you can use one from T-Mobile and one from AT&T. So you can use 2 SIM cards, and you have 2 numbers on one phone. Okay, so let's just install the battery, and the cover just slides in like this. Okay. The best choice. I see. So you don't really have to click on this middle button. You simply move across like this, just like on the BlackBerry. Alright, so home. Yeah, so you can see it's kind of a BlackBerry interface here. So let's see. Just trying to change the language. Okay, so you got Chinese, Greek, Persian, Russian, many languages. German, Italian, English, French. Let's just use the English one. The phone is not a touch screen. This phone is not a touch screen. That's what I figured out. Alright. So what else it's got interesting here? internet. How to make calls. Making calls is pretty easy. You can select which call number you want to call from SIM 1 or SIM 2, and another interesting, okay, it's got a calendar, tasks, camera, alarm clock, file manager, multimedia. I wonder if it's got a call setting. No. It's also got two cameras, one in the back and one in the front, and let's type a message. Text message, write a message. Oh. Go for options. Input. Okay. So you can now type a message in. Yeah, so it's pretty easy. So it takes a bit of some time to get used to the style of the phone with this middle button here and the two navigation button here. Other than that, it's a cool looking phone. Yeah, smartphone E100.